Hi, this is Rob, the Hurricane Peacock. I'm with Mike Massey. We're selling some cases at Mr. Billiards 2 in Atlanta, Georgia. This is perhaps the biggest pool I've ever been in. We're going to take a little walk through. There's some leaks going on right now. We're raffling off some tickets and everything else right now. This place is huge.
We've only got 5 left. Go over and see Mike Massey himself. Only 5 tickets.
Oh yeah, no remember Rob the Hurricane anymore. Look at this.
Thank you.
We got a whole lot of people here. It's gonna be good for a show here. There we go. Going in there. And we go over here. More tables over here. Probably about 300 people here right now. There's Mike's stuff here right now. Got a bar over here. We got everything here. This place is huge. So come on down. Me and Mike are selling some cues here at Mr. Q Billiards 2, Atlanta, Georgia.